Hello everyone. Right now, I'm I'm standing in front of you, and it is one of the things that I really wanted to talk about it. There is a fear that I always have in my mind that I cannot do I cannot do this content creation kind of thing. This is something I'm really passionate about. I always see some other podcast. I read a lot. I want I want to share all these kind of information with you. But the problem is that whenever I sit in front of camera, I feel so nervous about it that even a thought of doing it makes me nauseatic. Even at this point of time, you can see that I want to say a lot of things, but is still feeling a little bit shy. What do you think about it? And the weather is nice. I'm sitting. So, um, so here, I just wanted to ask you few very basic type of questions that if I have to start this content creation kind of thing that everyone is doing that, and I also want to do it. I want to do it passionately. That whatever I do, people like it. Uh, I want to make it very comfortable in front of all the people. It must not come. It must not come something which is banauti, you can say. I don't want to make it banauti. I want to keep it very rational, very kind of coming from my heart kind of thing. Want to discuss all those things that goes around my in my atmosphere, whatever I want to talk about it, how. So I work in banking sector. I work for a very leading NBFC, and most of the time I have a very tiring day. Uh, I work early in the morning I start my work early in the morning around 9:30 or 10, and most of the time my work does involve a lot of stakeholder management. And when your work is all about stakeholder management, this require interaction with multiple number of people. I somehow think I'm good at it while talking to the people, but I think I have a lot of humility that I try to understand their perspective. I get into their skills and try to understand what they want to say. If they have challenges, what kind of challenges they have from their side. This doesn't provides me and and with it I also be very sympathetic with them. And as a product manager, when I have certain timelines, this comes out as a very negative thing for myself. Sometimes think some most of the time I think that if most of the time I think that